Hey guys, it's nice to see you again. This is your favorite Vijay. In this video tutorial, I'll tell you how to create a realistic carrom board using pure HTML and CSS. Let's get into the video. This is my desktop. I'll create a folder here. Open Sublime Text. If you want to install Sublime Text, please check the below description. Open the project. Right click on the project and create new file. Control S. Save it as index.html. Right click, create new folder. Name it as CSS. Inside that CS folder, create a new file. Control S. Name it as style.css. Write basic HTML codes, title, Carrom, link, CSS slash styles.css. Enter meta tag. Content equal device width, initial scale equal to 1.0, name viewport. This is very much important because this thing is going to enable the responsive thing in all the device. So we'll go to body. First we'll check the CSS, whether the CSS is working or not. Go to the folder, double click on that. Yes, that CSS is working successfully. So we'll set up our first Carrom board frame as Carrom frame. Border 1px solid brown. Height 400px and width 400px. See here, height and width should be equal because Carrom board is basically square. The next div is inside that the next thing, we have to make center this frame. Okay. Top 50%, 50%, transform translate of minus 50%, minus 50%. Position absolute. We have created that Carrom board frame. Now we'll create the pockets. Pocket means that we're going to add 4 pockets on the corner of the Carrom board. Class pockets. height 40 px, width 40 px, background black. Yeah, and position absolute. Fine. So we need to create 4 buckets here, right? So we'll add one more as bucket 1, bucket 1, top 0, left 0. Fine. So the next bucket should come the right, the next bucket 2 should come the right corner of the Carrom board, right? So we'll apply the pockets class here. Okay, pocket 2, top 0, right 0. Yeah. And we'll create our third pocket here. Pocket 3, bottom 0, and left 0. Left 0. Okay. Then finally the pocket 4. Bottom 0, right 0. Yeah. We have created that 4 pockets on the edges of Carrom board. So now the basic thing is completed. We'll move on to create a base, not one base. Usually Carrom board has 4 bases, right? So we'll start from the top. Carrom board. Pockets. Okay. Base. Here a div. Class base. Here end of spaces. This command line will help you to find the right thing. When you search the right thing, it will help you to find it easily. With a base, now I'm going to create a base class. Border, a border 3px solid brown. We'll create first the top base. Height 5.5%. Width percentage. Top 14 percentage, left 50 percentage. Position position absolute, transform, translator, minus 50 percentage, comma, minus 50 percentage. Yeah, fine. Then top base completed. Inside that base, we need to add some add 2 circles, right? We'll start doing that. Let's name it as orange circle. A class orange circle. Height 14 px. Width 14 px. Background orange. Yeah. Position absolute. Then let's see the output. Here we need to position. We need to give position for the orange circle 1. Create a class orange circle 1. Up 0%. Left 0%. So the next thing, we'll create an orange circle 2. Orange circle 2. The position would be top position would be 0. Right 0. Yeah, great. So the next thing, we need to add border radius for the brown color. The brown, that base, go to the base class. Then make it border radius as 15 px. Yeah. We'll add border radius for the orange circles too. Border radius 50 percentage. Let's say, yeah. Now the orange circles should come down. Okay. So margin 3px and 3px. Yeah, fine. Okay, we'll create outline for the base orange circle. Create a div class outline. End of outlines. The class name would be outline. Height 18px with 18px. And border we'll make it as orange as of now. Yeah. Then border radius 50%. Yeah, good. We position the border outline 1. Top minus 2%. Sorry, minus 2px. Left minus 1px. Outline 1. Top minus 2px. Left minus 1%. Then you position absolute here. Good. Then we'll create outline 2. Create a div as outline 2. And go to CSS. And 2. The position of the outline 2 would be top minus 2px, right minus 1px. Right minus 1%. Yeah, cool. Then the top base has been created successfully. So we'll move on to create the right base now. Create a div class base. Right base. Yeah. Right base. Height should be 60%. Width should be 5.5%. Border What else we can give? Positioning it top percentage, right 8%. Yeah, good. We'll make we'll give some we'll give that orange circles. As orange circle. Yeah. So orange circle 3. Create a class for orange circle 3. We'll position the orange circle 3. So top would be 0%, and right would be 0%. Yeah, fine. So we'll make orange circle 4 now. So bottom 0%, right 0%. Yeah, we'll add that outline here. As outline number 2, 3. So we'll create a class for outline number 3. Top minus 2px plus 0%. Alright, the current output is looking like this. So I will add one more outline here. As outline number 4. Okay. Outline number 4. The bottom 2px 0%. Circle number 2 we need to align. Circle number 3 we need to align. So orange circle number 3. Sorry guys. Circle number 4 seems good. Okay, we have created two bases with the orange circle and orange outline. Now we are going to create a bottom base. as like previous. Div class base bottom base and top right class for bottom base. So 8.5% with 60%. Bottom 7%, left 50%. Yeah, we'll add orange circles inside the face. Okay, do as orange circle number 5. We'll create orange circle number 6. Right? Orange circle number 5 and orange circle. The class bottom 0%, right 0%. Bottom orange circle number 6. So bottom 0% is fine. Left 0%. We'll add the outline for these both orange circles. Just like the previous. Class outline and number 5. And outline number 5. Bottom minus pf, right minus 1%. Yeah. Then create a div as outline number 6 and class method 6 bottom minus 2px left minus 1%. Okay, we're gonna create the last one base. Official make a div as base left base go to CSS and bases left base height 60 percentage with 5.5 percentage. Yeah. Then top 50 percentage, left 15 percentage. Yeah. Now we'll create that orange circles inside that left base. Make a div class orange circle. Then orange circle number 7. Find orange circles. Orange circle number 7. Bottom 0 percentage. Right 10 percentage. And we'll create one more orange circle. Orange circle number 8. Top 0 percentage, left 0 percentage. Now we're gonna add that orange circle outline. Make a div class outline, then outline number 8 or 7. Find outlines. Outline number 7. Bottom minus 2px, right 0 percentage. Yeah. Then a div class outline number 8. Copy and paste this previous code. Change the class name as 8. Then remove this both. Top minus 2px, left minus 10 percentage. Alright, we have successfully created that 4 bases with that orange circle and outline. So now we'll move to the next thing. Okay, before moving to next topic, we'll add one more thing here. If you see Carrom Board in deeply, you can see that bottom of the border would be smaller than the top border. So we'll make that. Go to top base, border bottom. 1.3 px solid brown. Yeah. Then next thing, then right base, border left 1.3 px, solid brown. Then bottom base, border top 1.3 px, solid brown. Last one is left base, border right 0.3 px, solid brown. Okay, next thing we're gonna cover coins. We'll add some more coins here. Create a coin block. So the base block is completed. We'll create one more block that is coins. Coins usually have 3 black coin, white coins, and red coin. Apart from that, we'll add one more coin that is striker. First, we'll start with black coins. Create a black coins block. Okay. Here we are going to use images for those coins. I have image folder. I'll copy and paste that folder inside this project. Images. Coming back to the project. Image. src. Images. Black coin.png. Yeah. Look at here, we have added a coin, but it should not be here. We can make position over the Carrom board. So I'm going to add class coin. This coin class is for common class for all the coins. I'll create a coin class here. Okay, I'll create a coin block in CSS. Make coin. Just add a position absolute here. And this is black coin. So black coin 1, we can create a class with the name of black coin 1. Black class black coin 1. Bottom 20%, left 3%. Yeah. Then we'll add next coin. I'm going to add 3 black coins on the Carrom board. So I'm going to use the same image for each coin. I'll paste this coin image tag 3 times here. I'll change the class name coin number 2, coin number 3. We have to make 3 classes for black coins. change the class name also here. I'll give random some position here, random thing. So for black line 2, bottom 0, right right how much? 2%. Okay, we'll get black coin number 3, black coin 1, 2, 3. Yeah, fine. Black coin 3, right 10%, top 3%. Right. We have successfully added 3 coins on the Carrom board. The next thing we're gonna add white coins. I'll create white coins black. I'll copy all of this code to paste it inside the white coins block. I'll change the block icon name, white icon. I'll change here. To change here also. Instead of black coin, we'll add white coin. Coin number 3. See all those 3 coins are setting one by one. We'll add 4 white coins here. White coin number 4. We'll make the position here. Come down. Create a class for white coin number 1. For white coin number 1, I'll give the random position right 25% and top 3%. And we have 4 white coins, right? So we paste this code for 3 times. White coin number 2, number 3, white coin number 4. For 2, I'll give left 10%. Can give any of random position also. I will give myself a random position, left 10% and top minus 7%. And for white coin 3, I'll give bottom 30% and right 20%. Okay, finally the white coin 4, I'll give left 30%. And top, okay, bottom minus 6%. Okay. Randomly we have added the white coins, so therefore we have added black coins and white coins inside that Carrom board. The next thing we'll decorate that Carrom board also. We'll look on the frame. See, that frame is frame before making all other changes. We'll make frame. Go to the frame Carrom frame class. You can improve that border. We have added 1 px. Instead of 1 px, we can use 5, which is output. Yeah, seems fine. Then we'll reduce the border. Not reduce. We'll make that the border. We'll reduce the border radius. Border radius as 20 px. Good. Then what we can do? Corner. We can add that to corner. So go to HTML, create a border below the turquoise block, create corner blocks, make a div. We have to create 4 corners, right? So I create a div first one, class corner, make a block for corner here, CSS also, class corners, height 40 px, width 40 px, corners, then we'll give border 11 px solid. Guys, please use what color I'm using, use the same exact one, 240, then only you can feel the reality thing. 129,7. Yeah, one corner created, then lamp position absolute. Good. Okay. Then create a class for corner one. Add a corner one class has been added. A class for corner one. Border right 0 px, border bottom 0 px. Okay, then we'll see the output. Fine. Then border radius 50%, 0, 0, not comma, space. Yeah, good. Then we'll make the position top as 4%, and the left has 4.3%. Then what happened? Go to the corners and translate of minus 50%, minus 50%. Okay, cool. This is really cool thing. We have added that one corner. Okay, next thing we have to add 4 corners, right? Then I'll copy and paste that source code for 3 times. Change the corner number as 2, 3, 4. Create the corner number 2. Then border left 0 px. Then border bottom 0 px. Then border radius 0, 50%, 0 and 0. Top so that I'll see that output. Yeah, fine. Then add the position top 4%, right minus 8.2%. Good. Okay, we'll create class for corner number 3. Border top. Border top 0px. Then the border left 0px. Then the border radius 0, 0, 50% and 0. And give bottom minus 8.5%. Right minus 8.2%. Yeah, good. We have created 3 corners, and we'll add finally the last one corner. Corner number 4. Special border top 0px. Border right 0px. Border radius 0, 0, 0, 50%, 30 and 50%. Then bottom minus 8.5%. Then left 4.3%. Yeah. Alright guys, almost we have completed 80% of Carrom Board. We'll start doing the decorations thing. I'll give some colors. Please use the same colors for giving reality. So we'll start from the base. Go to the base class. Instead of brown, use hash 976238. Yeah. Then copy that class and paste over here also. Just here. Finally, for the left base. Good. Then instead of orange color, we can use orange circles. This here. Instead of orange color, use hash E 67904. 67904. Copy that. Don't copy. Don't for that outline. Change that code, color code as hash 97623A as previous. Yeah, then cool. Seems good. Then color changes are completed. Now we'll add the background color. Go to the top of the CSS and create body and background. Add color 1 hash 184D47. Fine. Looks good. Then we'll add that shadow for that frame. Go to Carrom frame. box shadow 0 0 10 px 1 px black. Cool. And next thing, we'll add Carrom Board background color. Okay, go to the Carrom frame, add background color for the frame. Hash FA F0 AF. Right, it seems good. Actually, it is almost giving a reality of a real Carrom board. The next thing will start add arrows. Go to HTML, add arrow section below the circles. Circles means is this. Create a black for arrows. For arrow, we are going to use image only. So image, as I said before, I have added that images folder. So I'm accessing that images from that folder. So image src images arrow1.png, arrow number 1.png. Okay. Create a class for image. See, arrow has been added here. To make that position, come down and create a block for arrows in CSS. Class arrows as arrow. Just add position absolute here. Add that arrow class over here. The next thing, arrow number 1. Create a class for that arrow number 1. Top 9%, left 9%. Yeah, good. Then I'll create one more class. Before that, go to the HTML. We need to add 4 arrows, right? Then I'll copy and paste that source code for 4 times. Arrow number 2, arrow number 3, arrow number 4. Create a class name as 2, 3, and 4. Create a class, create for each. For arrow number 2, top 9%, and then right 9%. Cool. And create a class for arrow number 3, bottom 7%, and right 7%. Then the last arrow number 4, bottom 7%, and left 9%. Yeah. Yes, we have successfully created that 4 arrows, and the seems already almost completed that Carrom board. Please don't skip anything. Please watch until the end. Then we'll next thing we'll gonna decorate that pockets. In if for example, in any Carrom board, it should not have the corners as square shape, right? So we have to make it as round shape, and we have to add some radial gradient color. So we'll do that. Go to that corners class. Sorry, pockets class. Border radius 50%. Good. And add background image, radial gradient of circle, RGB 60, then RGBA 0, 0, 0. And instead of using, we are going to use background image, right? Then we don't need to use background black. What happened? Okay, here comma. Good. So we can see something fine. It is giving a reality thing as like black pocket. Okay, guys. The next thing I will gonna add red coin and striker. Go to the HTML and come down for coin block. Create red coin image src images folder and red coin dot png. Okay, red coin has been added here. We'll make the position class coin to the class for red coin. Go to the coins block in CSS and come down. We'll add here red coin bottom. You can give any of random position. I'm giving bottom 31 and right 20%. Yeah, good. The next thing we will add striker source images striker dot png. Then add a special class coins. Yeah, striker has been added. So we'll make the position striker coin. Striker coin bottom 10% and right 40%. Okay, striker is appearing here. Now your striker is ready to strike any coin. Okay, then what else? We'll add the center coin finally. Sorry, center star finally. I think this is the last thing. Go to pockets. We can add this section under the pockets. Get a block center star. Add image source images and center star dot png. Yeah, star is appearing here. Then we'll add one more circle for that star. Make a div and add a class, the circle class. Come down and create a circle class. Height 152px, width 152px. Then border 1px solid hash 97623. Yeah, then border radius 50 percentage. Right. So then position absolute. Yeah. Then we'll make it center this circle. Top 50 percentage, left 50 percentage, transform translate of minus 50 percentage, comma minus 50 percentage. Yeah. Then the last thing is we have to center the center star image, class star. Make a class for star. Position absolute, top 50 percentage, left 50 percentage, transform translate of minus 50 percentage, comma minus 50 percentage. All right, guys, you have successfully created, but the circle thing and star thing is something. It has some different. So what I'll do is make it the top. Make it that circle top as 51.5 percentage. On the left is fine. Alright guys, you have successfully created that realistic carrom board using pure HTML and CSS. I hope you all guys are learning some new other things. Keep watching my channel and subscribe and like, share my channel. Thanks for watching video. Alright guys, all the best for your future. Thanks.